In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix screen resolution problem on your Windows. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and click on the Settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on System. And here you'll find Display. Click on that. Scroll down and you'll find Display Resolution. So click on the drop down arrow and then choose what is recommended, or you can simply choose a lower resolution. So simply try all of these options, try one by one as to what resolution will work for you. Okay, so that's it. Then click on Advanced Display, and here you'll find Choose a Refresh Rate. Also click on the drop down and choose the refresh rate that will work for you. Okay, then click on Display Adapter for Properties 1. Okay, so here you'll find Monitor. Click on that. Click on Properties. And here you'll find the driver tab. Click on that. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. You can also update it the second way. Click on Update Driver. And here you have to select Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here simply choose the latest driver and click on Next. And Windows will successfully update your drivers. After updating it, just restart your Windows once. Or if the rollback driver is not grayed out on your Windows, when once you open the integrated monitor properties in the driver tab, if this option rollback driver is not grayed out, then just simply click on rollback driver, okay? And just follow the next steps afterwards. Then you can also click on the uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. Now once you have uninstalled that, you just need to make a restart of your Windows. Right click at the start button, and here shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. That will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows. Okay, now once done, you just need to close this and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.